This question is from GATE 2016 Mechanical Engineering Paper Set 1, question number 23. The non-traditional machining process that essentially requires vacuum is option A, electron beam machining, option B, electrochemical machining, option C, electrochemical discharge machining, or option D, electro-discharge machining. Let's find out. Basically, why workpiece is being placed in vacuum is because to prevent the reduction of energy that the entities have, and these entities are actually responsible for carrying out the machine. So we can write this. Now specifically in case of electron beam machining, this phenomena is very important because high voltage electron beam is responsible for carrying out the machining, and this constitute of electrons that possess this high amount of energy. They are responsible for the machining. How? By melting or vaporizing the area of the workpiece that is to be machined. And hence, we will have to attain maximum possible electron velocity in order to carry out this. So to do that, workpiece is kept in vacuum. So you can go back and mark our correct option, electron beam machining. Answer is in option A. To learn more about electron beam machining and all the other machining types mentioned here, you can refer to the LPTL video, Lecture 40, EBM and LBM. This video is from the course Lecture Series on Manufacturing Processes 2. Course is by Professor A.B. Chattopadhyay, Professor A.K. Chattopadhyay and Professor S. Paul. They are from Department of Mechanical Engineering of IIT Kharagpur. I hope this explanation will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.